How to understand Afrivestor's brokerage fees and charges. Now here's what Afrivestor actually charges. Equity trading fees. Brokerage commission of 1.35% applies only on equity trades. On top of that, statutory charges applies too. The total commission for buy and sell trades, including NSE, SEC, stamp duties, and trade alert charges come to 1.725% for buying and 2.025% for selling. Now for treasury bills. Treasury bill transactions carry a custody fee of 0.35%, which is prorated. So when you buy shares on Afrivestor, you pay roughly 1.7% in total charges. When you sell, it's a bit higher, around 2%, since selling pulls in a couple of extra statutory charges. Treasury bills work differently. There's a small custody fee of 0.35% instead. Thanks for watching.